Eminem to launch Mom's Spaghetti pop-up for Oh man, that just made me hungry. Is that weird? I want to. Is that an actual? Are we talking?
Well, you like spaghetti.
Hang on a second.
You like spaghetti.
Will, are we talking about an actual spaghetti?
Yeah, he has a restaurant opened already.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, he's bringing it from Detroit to a pop-up downtown.
He has a restaurant in Detroit called Mom's Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. We should go. That's not that far.
Yeah.
We should make a trip. I mean, not to the Los Angeles one, to the Detroit one.
Yeah. Detroit. Detroit's a nice city.
So
I liked it when I was there.
they have a couple offerings here.
$10, Mom's Spaghetti with meatballs, 14. With rabbit balls,
Whoa.
15.
Which are vegan.
Vegan. I thought it was rabbit meatballs.
Or you can have a sketty sandwich.
Okay.
13.
Okay.
Do they have a picture of the sandwich?
That's
I'm
rude.
real curious about
No
that.
one's putting spaghetti on a sandwich.
I love this menu, though. This menu is so nostalgic for me. I used to go to spots that would have had a menu that looked like that.
Yeah, the picture of the spaghetti's kind of nasty.
Scroll down a little bit.
Gnarly.
Scroll down a bit. That little pattern at the bottom, that checker pattern, which could have even been the tablecloth as well.
Pepsi.
213-668 moms. Also having the phone number prominent. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, is this a play? Is this a play, Super Bowl play, the Pepsi halftime show?
Yeah. He's doing the halftime show with Dr. Dre,
Snoop Dogg,
Kendrick,
and Mary J. Blige.
Blige.
Did you just say Mary J. Blige?
Mary J.
I took a second there too.
I like that.
Oh man,
Mary J.
you
Blige.
put a little spice on it over there. Yeah. Anyway, Eminem is giving the people of Los Angeles a taste of Mom's Spaghetti at this year's Super Bowl. The rapper is bringing his Detroit restaurant straight to downtown LA for a limited time pop-up, serving the community with various assortments of spaghetti-based dishes. Yeah, of course, this came from the lyrics of the popular song Lose Yourself. You can also get it delivered via Postmates. It's some sort of exclusive deal if you're in the LA area and you want to enjoy this from the comfort of your own home while you're watching the Super Bowl. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know he had a restaurant. I love the idea of pop-ups.
That little quote there, it's not the kind of pasta you'd expect if your grandma came from Italy on a boat. It's more like the spaghetti you'd expect if your mom came from Michigan on a bus. I like that. That's the kind of spaghetti I want.
Mom spaghetti. Mom spaghetti.
Yeah,
I actually like at the bottom of this, and I'm going to throw a wild card in here.
Okay.
That link at the bottom, in case you missed it, McDonald's Japan returns to large and medium-sized French fries.
Oh.
I just need to know what's going on there.
Wild card.
Hype Beast just got me on a wild card. What happened? Oh.
I guess the supply chain is they're up again. They can send in potatoes.
Oh, wow.
Because they had a potato shortage.
So potato shortage led to small size only.
Was it a famine?
So, but what if you bought two small, one per customer, small size?
They're limiting.
Maybe.
No, because a lot of people don't know that. It's that's a hack. That's a McDonald's hack that often the small size is the exact same size as the medium in terms of fries.
Yeah, because they stuff it. It's a paper bag, right?
Yeah, they're supposed to use a different scoop, but they never do because the vast majority are medium. So they use the same scoop. It's actually the scoop. You can fit a medium in a small container.
That's a hack.
And often you...
Yeah, that's a
you
hack.
didn't know
That's
that?
A good hack. That's a good hack.
Yeah, it's going to be the same amount.
But get a medium too, Mo. And a small.
You gotta be behind me and get a medium.
Okay, okay.
We'll compare.
Okay.
As long as they're busy enough to just use the same scoop. If they're not busy, then they'll pick up the small scoop.
Okay, we'll go
I don't
lunchtime.
know. That's the word. That's the hack.
Wow, I just learned a lot right there.
Anyway, I guess you're getting medium and large back in the 2,900 McDonald's restaurants globally after the fast food chain has been able to secure a new transportation route from the eastern coast of North America to Japan. Fans of the Golden Arches' iconic fries will be pleased to know that starting this week, McDonald's lovers will be able to enjoy their regular fries once again. Okay.
I'm happy for Japan on that one.
Yeah, shout out Japan.
Happy Japan, happy Sweden.
Well,